Viewers, in today's video we will tell you about such amazing tribes in the world who are used to living in water, who consider the depths of the sea as their home, and whose lives run under water instead of dryness. These are the tribes that can live in the sea for minutes without any oxygen. From there they get their food and spend their whole life there. Yes, this video will force you to think how far can a person really push himself according to the environment. So watch the video till the end because what you are going to see and hear today is really amazing. Dear friends, the first tribe of our list is Bajau Laut, which is also called Bajau or Kana-Badosh of the sea. This tribe is found in the seas of Southeast Asia and especially near the coastal areas of Philippines, Malaysia and Indonesia. The people of Bajau Laut spend most of their lives in the water. These people often live in boats and walk very little on dry land. Their boats are called lipa-lipa, which are their home, their means of livelihood and their world. The most amazing feature of the people of Bajau Laut is that they are naturally excellent divers. Their body has adopted unique biological changes to stay in the water. According to a study, their bowels are 50% larger than that of ordinary humans, which helps them hold their breath for a long time in the water. The large bowels store the red blood cells. And when these people go into the deep water, the bowels dry up and excrete their cells into the blood, which gives the body an extra amount of oxygen. This is why these people can stay in the water for many minutes on just one breath without any oxygen tank. There they catch fish, collect mussels and observe marine life. In addition, their livelihood is completely connected to the sea. These people rely on the sea for their food, accommodation and culture. Their fishing methods are also ancient and traditional. These people catch fish using nets and also go deep into the water for this. Their generations have also increased their ability to see inside the water to an amazing extent, which makes them see things clearly even in the muddy world of water. The sea is given great importance in the culture of Bajau Laut. Their stories, songs and rituals all revolve around the sea. This tribe tells the world how a human being can live a life in harmony with nature and can be completely self-sufficient even without modern facilities. The second tribe of our list is the Moken, also known as the children of the Indian Ocean. This tribe is found in the islands of the Lake Bajau Laut. The Moken people are also famous for their seafood. Their life also passes on the waves of the sea, and they live in their traditional boats, the kabang. These boats are their moving houses, where they sleep, cook food and spend their daily lives. A special ability of the Moken children makes them famous all over the world. These children can see inside the water as we see on dry land. This is not magic, but a natural coincidence. The puppets of their eyes shrink in the water and the shape of the lens changes, so that they can see things clearly despite the pressure of the water. This is a skill that is not found in ordinary people, and that is why they are also called water children. They acquire skills in fishing and hunting from an early age. The Moken people have a deep relationship with the sea, that they already perceive the changes of the sea. During the 2004 tsunami, the Moken people migrated to high places due to which their life loss was very low. This is an example of how much benefit a person can get. This tribe lives on the herbs and food that come from the sea and the sea. In their culture, the sea is considered a living being, which is very important to respect. Their lifestyle is far from the hustle and bustle of the modern world, and it gives a peaceful life near nature. And the third tribe that we will talk about is the Oriklawui. These people are also found in the islands of Thailand, and especially in the Phuket and nearby islands. Oriklawui means sea people, and this name completely reflects their lifestyle. Although they do not live completely in the water, but their life has a deep connection with the sea. Their settlements are often on the shores of the sea or on small islands, and most of their daily life is spent in the sea. The Oriklawui people are excellent at fishing. They catch fish in traditional ways, and they have extensive information about the sea. They know which fish will be found when and where, and they also understand the changing temperament of the sea very well. In their culture, the sea is not only considered a means of livelihood, but it is also seen as a sacred place. These people are connected to the souls of the sea and their ancestors through their special songs and dances. In their religious rituals, the sea and its creatures are respected. Friends, now we will talk about a tribe which is not only included in the tribes that live in the water, but is also a Muslim. This is Sama-Bajau, which is found in the southern areas of the Philippines, and especially in the Suluor Archipelago. Sama-Bajauts are actually very similar to the Bajau Laut tribe, and they are often considered a part of the Bajau tribe, but their Muslim identity gives them a unique identity. Friends, the people of Sama-Bajau also spend their lives on their traditional boats lipa-lipa. These boats are their home, their mosques and their whole world. All their lives revolve around the sea, and despite being Muslims, they maintain their ancient spiritual relationship with the sea. They follow the teachings of the Quran and offer their prayers on their boats. Their children are also born on boats, and their initial training is in the environment of the sea. Viewers, the world of Sama-Bajau is embedded in the depths of the sea. These people are skilled in the search for pearls and collecting sea plants. They have extensive knowledge of the seas, herbs and their use. Their language is also their own, and their customs and stories are also influenced by the sea. They are such a Muslim tribe, which shows us how the respect for faith and nature can work together. Their lifestyle proves that faith can be strong in every place, in every environment. Whether it is the dryness or the depth of the sea, these people see the signs of God's nature in every wave of the sea and every creature, and we praise it. Their life is a beautiful example of how a human being can fulfill his religious duties. These are all excellent examples of God's nature and human compatibility. What do you think about today's video? Do let us know in the comment section. If you like the video, do give us a like and a share. And to watch such interesting and amazing videos, stay connected with us and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.